Meaning of eau de toilette.
Eau de toilette.
Eau de toilette.
Eau de toilette.
Eau de toilette. Eau de toilette is a French term that translates to toilet water in English. It refers to a type of fragrance that has a lower concentration of essential oils and a higher concentration of alcohol and water compared to other types of perfumes. As a result, eau de toilette fragrances are typically lighter and less intense than other perfumes. They are often used as a refreshing and subtle scent for everyday wear, especially during the daytime or in warmer weather.